Okay, so it's a few hours away from your cruise, and you've got all of the normal basics. You've got your regular clothes, you've got so many outfits, you've got all that stuff done. But what are the critical things? What are the critical mistakes that you can make that can really have a bad outcome on your upcoming cruise? That's what we're going to talk about real quick. My wife and I are less than 24 hours away from our cruise, and we have been packing and planning and discussing and for the last several minutes, making sure that we have everything that we need for our cruise. So, as I was saying, some of the normal stuff you don't need to be told about. You need to pack your shorts, your bathing suits, your shirts and all that stuff. You know all about that. What I'm talking about is the real critical stuff that can really, like I said, have a negative impact on your cruise. Perhaps the biggest tip that I can give you to avoid any of these critical mistakes is something that we do for just about every cruise and every vacation that we take. And that is, we will make a checkoff list. All right. Her and I will talk about it, and we will come down to a checkoff list of some of the most critical things. And I'm going to read off some of these right here to help you so you don't make any critical mistakes on your next cruise. Your boarding pass, obviously, you got to have that. Your passports, okay? If you have passports, you want to have that secured right away. Get that packed up, ready to go. All of your medicine, whether it be blood pressure, diabetic, anything at all, any medicines that you have a prescription for that you absolutely need, you want to make sure you have that on your list and ready to go also. Your airport confirmations, your flight confirmations, you want to have that, whether it's on your phone or the actual physical paperwork. You want to make sure you have that. Me personally, I want to make sure that I have all my cameras. I want to have all my camera gear. Okay, this trip I'm going to bring not one, not two, but 3 cameras, along with all the charging cables and rechargers and so on. This trip, for the first time, I'm packing some scuba gear on my scuba dive, which I'm very excited about. Wallet or purse. Make sure you have that. On this trip, I'm bringing extra rash guards and bathing suits and so on and so forth, other things that I have packed. But you want to have that checkoff list and have that somewhere where both you and your wife and even kids, if you're bringing the kids, but have, if you need several checkoff lists, one for you, one for her, one for the kids, whatever's going to help you get organized and make sure that you don't forget. The last thing that you want is to show up at the airport or the cruise and not have your boarding pass. Don't have your confirmation, okay? Now you got to scramble and try to get that, all right? So you want to have all that secured. Have your passports, okay? All your birth certificates, if you're going to go that route. Have those secured, ready to go. So, like I said, Lisa and I are about less than 24 hours away on this cruise. We would love for you to join us. We're going to shoot, I'm going to actually get the Wi-Fi on this cruise. That's one thing I'm looking forward to. And her and I are going to experience the Disney dream again. So if that's something that you would like to come along with and experience with us, think about maybe hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Thank you so much I hope this video helps you. And get ready, because very soon we'll see you on the next one.